Welcome to North County Indian in sunny California. You are looking at a beauty. It is a 2019 Scout Bobber. Very, very low miles. And this thing is slammed, and it is also blacked out. This Bobber has the rear lower suspension, and it also has custom handlebars. Scout has 100 barely tamed horsepower, Vance Hines exhaust, and a genuine leather Indian seat, bobber seat, side mounted plate, bar and mirrors. It even has a USB charging port. So once you test ride this, you are not going to want to stop. See you soon!